I came all this way to see you. Which wasn't easy, since you were pretty far away.
How is that even... Because back then...
Well, I drank some of your kuchikamizake.
Wait, is that...
Oh, yeah, it's yours, but you visited before I knew you, so I didn't know who you were. Here. I kept it for 3 years, but I think it's time you got it back.
What do you think?
Oh, well, it's not bad.
Oh, you're lying!
Busted.
Why you gotta be like that?
Hey, Mitsuha. You still have a lot to do. Listen.
It's coming.
Don't worry. You still have enough time.
I'll do my best. It looks like magic hour is almost...
over. Hey, Mitsuha. Just so we don't forget things when we wake up.
Huh?
Let's write down our names. Here. Mitsuha. Hey, Mitsuha? I was planning to tell you that wherever you are in the world, I swear that I'll find you again, no matter what. Your name is Mitsuha. It'll be okay. I'll remember. Mitsuha. 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 Your name is Mitsuha. Your name is... Who are you? And what did I even come here for? I came all this way to see her. I came to save her. I wanted her to be alive. Who was it again? Who did I come to see? Someone precious. Someone I don't want to forget. Someone I shouldn't. Who was it? Who was it? Who? Who? What's your name?
It's not working. We're running out of time. Mitsuha! What's wrong?
What is it? I can't remember what his name is anymore!
What is with you?
Just a little more. Let's stick together just a little bit longer.
I was always searching.
Searching for... someone!
Yes, we are time flyers, scaling the walls of time, climber, tired of playing hide and seek with time, and always come in touch. I'll never let you go now. Promise I will never let you go now. 'Cause my hand finally has reached close. What should I have to? Please, you're quiet, showing cry. I wanna stop your tears. See.
Excuse me. Have I met you somewhere?
I thought so too.
Can I ask you your name?
The sorrowful gust of wind.